welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to appear offline on Instagram. Basically, just how to turn off your activity status so you don't show that you're appearing online when you don't want to show that you're appearing online. Now, it's very easy to get this done and change your setting. Now, you just want to go ahead over to Instagram and open up Instagram. Once you're on Instagram here, you just want to click on the bottom right corner where you see your profile picture there. Click on that to go to your profile, and then you want to go to the top right corner where you see the three lines. So just go ahead and click on that. Once you've clicked on that, you just want to click on settings. And then once you're in settings, you might see activity status here, depending on your region for Instagram. If for whatever reason you do not see activity status here, like I don't, you just want to go to the top search bar and just search for activity status. So as you guys see here, I see activity status. So you just want to go ahead and click on that. And you just want to make sure that your bar here is where mine is right here. So my activity status is currently not showing, so nobody knows when I'm currently online on Instagram. Obviously, if I were to click this, that would show my activity status, so you will not appear offline. So you just want to make sure that yours is grayed out and not blue, just like this, and you should be good to go. Your activity status will then be turned off. I really hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you guys how to turn off this setting so you appear offline on Instagram. This video does help you out. Be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.